today we have a 2014 Mazda 6. We'll be doing an air filter change.
All right, y'all, so to change the air filter, we're gonna go to the left side, driver's side of the vehicle. You'll see the box here. You're gonna push these two tabs, one here and one here down, and lift up, going this direct towards us. And remove that air filter. And just keep in mind the orientation and get the new one installed. So now we're gonna install the new air filter just like this. Slide it in. Like so. Let it sit down in the box itself. Just getting caught up on the back here. There we are. So it's going to sit flush like that. And then you see on the box right here that has these ears. It's going to go inside of these grooves on the bottom portion of the box. And then we can snap it in position. So let's go ahead and get that in. So getting you a little view of those little ears on the box here. You can see two right there, and there's gonna be one on the end here. Make sure they all slide into the bottom portion of the box. So just push down with the angle. Sorry. And well, there you got a better view there. So you're gonna push that all the way in to there, and then we'll snap it in place. All right, so we got those in back there. We went ahead and snapped those back into place. So now we're all done. And we're all good. So thanks for watching. Sorry about this video being all over the place, but just a little general overview of how to get it done. Really simple. It takes about 2 minutes, but now we're done. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.